honor and speaker for today's program.
Sabi mo, maragsak-sak ka.
To formally introduce our esteemed guests, may we call on Ma'am Dinah and Florence.
Milikid man niya. Sarap.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, our able Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Nicanor L. Langit, highly committed Principal 2 of Lumbang Elementary School, Madam Maria Sonia C. Solis, representative from Barangay Council, the Chairman on Education, Kagawad Mona Lisa G. Arenos, respected teachers, dear parents, beloved learners and completers, visitors, friends, a pleasant day to everyone. It is my distinct honor and privilege to introduce our guest of honor and speaker for this meaningful moving up ceremony. Our speaker is a proud daughter of Pangasinan, born on November 25, 1997 in Orbistondo, Pangasinan. At 28 years of age, she stands as a remarkable example of dedication, perseverance, and excellence. She is the eldest among 4 siblings, raised by her loving parents, Mr. George Soria Agsalud and Mrs. Thelma Rivera Agsalud, a committed teacher of Lumbang Elementary School, at the same time my partner in grade 1. Ms. Agsalud began her academic journey at Lumbang Elementary School, where she completed her elementary education in 2009 with distinction. She then pursued her secondary education at Duyong Malabago National High School, graduated in 2013. Driven by her passion for teaching, she earned her degree in Bachelor of Elementary Education from the University of Luzon in 2017. Her professional journey reflects her strong commitment to education. She started as a teacher at Kai Center, Philippines from 2018 to 2019 and also worked as a private tutor from 2016 to 2019. Currently, she is serving at Pinmani School in Thailand, where she holds the position of English Foreign Department Head, while teaching English to kindergarten through primary 6 learners since April 2019. Her dedication and excellence have brought her beyond borders. In 2021, she earned her permanent teaching license from the Teachers Council of Thailand, a testament to her competence and professionalism. She has also actively participated in various seminars conducted by prestigious institutions such as the British Council and Cambridge English Organization. Indeed, her journey from a young learner in this very institution to an accomplished educator on the international stage is truly inspiring. She embodies the values of hard work, determination, and lifelong learning. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride and honor that I present to you our guest of honor and speaker, Miss Kea Marie Rivera Agsalud. Let us give her a warm round of applause.
Thank you, Ma'am Dinah, for the warm introduction, and also to our MC, my tita Bianca, and to our visitors. My utmost respect and warm greetings to all of you, especially to our barangay officials headed by Barangay Captain Baltasar Vinuya Jr., the Committee of Education Chairman, Mrs. Mona Lisa J. Arenas, PTA President, Mr. Rodolfo L. Paramyo Jr., the industrious and supportive teachers and non-teaching personnel of Lumbang Elementary School, our competent Principal 2, Ma'am Maria Sonia C. Solis, our quarterly Public Schools District Supervisor, Mr. Nicanor L. Langit, dear beloved parents, visitors, friends, and most especially our cute graduates of batch 2026. Isang mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ang ating tema ngayon ay Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. Pilipinong nagsipagtapos, handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. Mga magulang at minamahal naming panauhin, hayaan po ninyong ibahagi ko ang isang simpleng kwento ng aking buhay. Noong ako po ay isang batang katulad ng ating mga magsisipagtapos ngayon, hindi rin po ako marunong magsulat, magbasa o magbilang. Takot din po akong sumagot at mahiyain. Alam po ng aking nanay yan. Ngunit dahil sa sipag at tiyaga ng aking mga guro at sa walang sawang paggabay at pagmamahal ng aking mga magulang, natuto po ako. Unti-unting nahubog ang aking kaalaman at kakayahan, kundi pati ang aking pagkatao. Noon po, wala pong teknolohiya na tulad na meron ngayon. Walang gadgets, walang internet. Ngunit, mayroon kaming isang bagay na hanggang ngayon ay napakahalaga. Ang gabay ng magulang at mga aral ng mga guro. At iyon po ang tunay na pundasyon ng pagiging handa sa buhay. Mga magulang, nandyan po ba kayo? Hello po, ang mga hot and sexy mamas here sa Lumbang Elementary School. Nandyan po. Ang pagtatapos po ng ating mga anak ngayon ay hindi lamang simpleng seremonya, kundi ito ay patunay na sa murang edad, nagsisimula na silang matutong maging responsable, masipag at mabuting bata. Dahil po sa inyong paggabay bilang kanilang mga magulang. Ang kanilang kakayahan ay nahuhubog sa paaralan. Ngunit, ang kanilang mabuting pagkatao ay nagsisimula at lumalago sa loob ng tahanan. Gaya ng sabi nila, sa bahay nag-uumpisa ang kabutihan ng isang bata. Kaya naman po, hinihikayat ko po kayo, ipagpatuloy natin ang paggabay sa kanila. Turuan natin silang mangarap, magsikap, at higit sa lahat, maging mabuting tao. Sapagkat ang tunay na leader ay hindi lamang matalino, kundi may pusong marunong magmalasakit. Mayroon din po akong naging mag-aaral mula sa Thailand. Sa murang edad na 5 taong gulang, siya po ay nahihirapang magbasa, magsulat at makipag-usap sa mga kasama sa bahay at sa labas. Hindi dahil kulang siya sa kakayahan, kundi dahil kulang siya sa gabay sa tahanan. Naging tagapag-alaga niya ang gadget at hindi ang magulang. Ibig sabihin, puro gadgets, cellphones, tablets, iPads, ang kanyang laging kasama. Working parents po ang kanyang mga magulang. Alam ko po. At hindi po natin, dito po natin nakikita ang isang mahalagang katotohanan. Hindi po sapat na iasa lamang sa guro ang paghubog sa ating mga anak. Ang unang guro at pinakamalagang gabay ay nagmumula pa rin sa loob ng tahanan. Mga magulang, ang oras, atensyon at pagmamahal na ibinibigay nyo sa inyong mga anak ay hindi kailanman mapapalitan ng anumang teknolohiya. Kayo po ang unang humuhubog sa kanilang kakayahan at higit sa lahat, sa kanilang mabuting pagkatao. At para sa ating munting graduates, okay, mga kinder, tumayong tayong lahat. Okay. Ako po ay nagtuturo ng kinder, so alam ko po. Okay, mga kinder, pwede ba tayong tumayo? Matatapos na ako. Alam ko may mga Jollibee McDo na kayo na nakaprepare pagkatapos nito. Okay. Sige. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. I think you're ready na. Okay, di ba? Okay. Now, sabihin nyo ng sabay-sabay. Ay, taas yung mga kamay ninyo. Mga kamay ninyo. Sabihin nyo, kaya ko to. Kaya ko to. Ngayon, tumalikod kayo. Humarap kayo sa mga magulang ninyo, kay mama at papa. Mami o daddy. Nasa yung mga mami, daddy natin. Okay. Hindi, huwag nyo na itataas yung kamay. Huwag nyo na itaas yung kamay. Sabihin ninyo. Sabihin ninyo, I love you, Mama. I love you, Mama. Sabihin nyo sa kanila, I love you, Mama. I love you, Papa. I love you, Papa. Ulitin ninyo. I love you, Mama. I love you, Papa. Mama, chuk-chuk. Sabihin nyo rin sa teacher niyo. Kay Ma'am Joanne. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher Joanne. Magaling matatalino sila. Ayan. Sige, magsiupo na tayo. Pwede na kayo maupo. Sit down. Okay. Ngayon, gagaling nyo Tandaan ninyo, kahit maliit pa kayo, kaya ninyong tumulong. Magmahal at maging mabuting bata. Yan ang simulan ng pagiging leader. Sa huli, ang ating mga batang magsisipagtapos ngayon ay hindi lamang handang umakyat sa susunod na baitang, kundi handa ring harapin ang buhay ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. Muli, binabati ko ang ating mga graduates at ang kanilang mga magulang. Mabuhay po kayong lahat at maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Mom, for your inspiring and meaningful message. To show our gratitude, may we call on our PSDS, our school head, the dignitaries to present the plan of recognition. Please allow me to read read the citation. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 1. Schools Division, Office 1, Pangasinan, Lumbang Elementary School, Lumbang, Calasiao, Pangasinan. Plaque of recognition is hereby awarded to Kaya Marie de Vera of Salud, Batch 2009, Class 2nd, Honorable Mention, English Foreign Department of Pimanis School, in grateful of her distinguished and commendable services, giving pride and honor to Lumbang Elementary School for her role as honor and speaker during the moving up ceremony with the theme Filipino graduates prepared to lead with confidence and character. To which occasion she has imparted her valuable insights and inspired the young graduates, teachers, parents, and community members. Given this 27th day of March 2026 at Lumbang Elementary School, Lumbang, Calasiao, Pangasinan, Philippines. Signed, John B. Ramos, Kindergarten Teacher, Maria Sonia C. Solis, Principal.
Yan. Dito siya. Ha?
We have
Kay Jeff.
received to one of the most anticipated part of our ceremony, the awarding of medals.
Galing mo, girl.
A, we will recognize teachers who have demonstrated excellence not only in academics but also in leadership, character, and service. This meant their hard work, perseverance, and dedication throughout their academic journey. May I request the awardees to prepare themselves as their names are called. We also request the parents or guardians of the awardees to come forward to assist in the awarding of medals.